At World Expeditions, we are very concerned about the disposal of waste, and I'm going to talk about the disposal of combustible waste and the best way of doing it. We've decided that the use of a specially designed incinerator is the way to go. We have a 10 pieces program where trekkers pick up litter along the trail, and at camp we burn it along with the combustible waste that the camp produces. There is a special technique of doing it. First of all, the litter must be collected and put in a doko, a basket, such as this. And when the time comes to do the burning, there's a few steps which are really important. The first thing is obviously you need to have a good fire. And in most situations, to have a good fire, you probably need to use a bit of an accelerant. So we will just get some twigs and grass, and we will wet it with kerosene, place it, light it. It might be a little bit difficult in windy conditions. That's okay, we're getting it going. A bit of paper, a bit of cardboard, be quick. It's very important to keep the fire going nice and hot to begin with. Okay, we've got quite a good burn now. The principle behind this is that once you get a fire going, there's an external chamber in which the air heats, and that hot air is pushed back into the chamber. Fresh air comes in here and it comes out into the chamber to burn the smoke, because smoke is simply uncombusted organic matter. So you can see now we're getting good burn and there's no smoke. And all you do from now on, we have a lot of plastic here. We're going to start burning plastic. The main thing to watch is don't put too much in at any one time. That's a rather dense bit of rubbish. I'll fix that later. The main problem with plastic, okay, a lot of it is recyclable, but it's got to be carried out. And often that's not practical, or if it is practical, it simply goes into landfill and then it's released into the environment through erosion, etc., and washes into the rivers. So with this method, we have a very little bit of ash is the only waste left over. Of course, you can burn wood in this as well if you wanted to just increase the amount of heat it produce or prolong the heat. It's actually a very good radiator, wood radiator. So I think you get the general principle. Very important to follow these steps to get a clean burn. Thanks very much.